Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a location filter to your search results in X. It's a handy feature that can help you find what you're looking for more efficiently. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. To initiate a search, tap on the search icon located in the bottom drawer. Step 3. Enter your desired search query to find what you're looking for. Whether it's restaurants, stores, or services, X has got you covered. Step 4. Now, here comes the magic. Tap on the sliders icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. From the options presented, select Near You to filter the search results based on your current location. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can add a location filter to your search results in X, making it easier to find relevant information near you. If you're tired of scrolling through endless search results, this feature will save you time and effort. Give it a try today. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to add a location filter to your search results in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.